Hi guys, so in this video there is a fantastic topic called average speed. Normally speed is equal to distance by time, but what about average speed? If it is going to be average speed, then you have to say total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. What is the total distance covered? Check it out. And what is the total time taken? Check it out. Just divide these two things, you will get average speed. For example, Murali travels with a speed of 50 km per hour. He goes for 3 hours till this place. From this place he goes at a speed of 40 km per hour for 2 hours. What is the average speed? What is the average speed? So now you know clearly average speed is total distance covered. So if Murali is going at 50 km per hour, 50 km per hour at a speed for 3 hours, what's the distance covered? 50 km per hour. So 50 for 1 hour he can cover 50 km. Like this, if he goes for 3 hours, 3 into 50, 150 distance covered. Plus distance covered here is 80. So 150 plus 80, 230 is the total distance covered. By total time taken is 5 hours. So 230 by 5, nothing but 46 km per hour. 46 km per hour is the average speed of Murali in this journey. So what we have done, total distance covered by total time taken, we have taken in this example. So average speed has got two special cases. This given time can be constant or the distance can be constant. Time can be constant or distance can be constant. Let us see those two cases now. Vijay is moving at a speed of 40 km per hour for 2 hours and Billa is moving at a speed of 6 km for 2 hours. So these two guys are moving at the same time constant. Now to find the average speed, directly I can apply the concept of arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means average. I can just take the average of the two speeds, 40 plus 60 by 2. 40 plus 60 by 2 is nothing but 50 km per hour is the average speed of these two guys. I need not go for calculating the total distance covered by total time taken. I need not do all these things. If time is constant, directly I can go by taking the arithmetic mean. Are you clear guys? If 3 speeds are given, for Vijay alone 3 speeds are given. Vijay is traveling at 40 km per hour for 2 hours, another 60 km per hour for another 2 hours and 80 for another 2 hours. Means if 3 speeds are given, then A plus B plus C by 3. Just take the arithmetic mean of whatever speeds given in case time is constant. Keep it in mind. Okay. Next is special cases. Distance is constant. See here. A bus travels for 7 hours. The first half at 30 km per hour, the second half at 40 km per hour. First half and second half. So which is constant here? Distance is constant. If distance is constant, you have to go for harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? 2AB by A plus B. Okay, 2AB by A plus B. Harmonic mean is found from arithmetic mean only. Okay, the derivation part we can see it later. Now please make a note of this harmonic mean, 2AB by A plus B. So 2 into 40 into 30 by 40 plus 30, 70. Okay, so 80, 240 by 7. 240 by 7 is the speed, average speed. And they have asked you distance. Distance is equal to speed into time taken. Speed is 240 by 7. Time taken is 7 hours. So answer is 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers. Are you clear with this distance constant guys? So arithmetic mean, harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean means A plus B by 2. Harmonic mean means 2AB by A plus B. Suppose if 3 speeds are given here, it is nothing but 3ABC by, look at this carefully, by AB plus BC plus AC. Don't say A plus B plus C, AB plus BC plus C if 3 speeds are given. Okay. Thank you.